Join me in this video as we discuss 4 golden rules that should help you become a confident stock market investor. Rule number 1, set clear financial goals. Everyone wants to invest in the stock market, but it is easier said than done. Often, our immediate expenses get in the way of our long-term goals. To help combat this, set aside some time to write down all of your monthly expenses, your medium-term and your long-term financial goals. Then figure out an amount that you can comfortably set aside and use for investment purposes. One rule of thumb is to save 10% of your income. By following this guideline, you will set aside $50 if you make $500 per week, or $100 if you make $1,000 per week. Personally, I aim to save about 50% of my income, and you will hear of other people who save 75% or more. Remember that the more you save, the faster you will reach your financial goals. But the key is to find a balance that works for you based on your lifestyle and your monetary goals. In the description, you will find a free template that you can use to help create a financial plan that fits your purpose. Rule number 2, create a watch list. A good financial analyst gets paid a lot of money because they can find great financially sound companies with excellent growth potential. Luckily for us, we can find these same companies by visiting our local closet. Seriously, take a peek inside your closet and make a list of the brands you and your family care most about. We often overlook these products that are scattered around our homes, but some of these items were made by companies with strong financials. Consider investing in these companies. Think about it. You have purchased these products because either they solved the problem that you once had, saw an advertisement showcasing a valuable feature, or because you simply have a strong connection with that brand. This is not a foolproof way of finding strong companies, but it is a great way to create a personalized watch list of companies that you understand and value enough to invite them into your home. Also, take a step back and see what products and brands are embraced by the people in your network, such as your work, place of worship, school, and etc. Okay. Now that we have a list of potential companies, we need to find out if these companies are publicly traded. We can only buy shares from companies that are listed in the public exchange. So use your favorite search engine to determine if a company has a ticker symbol. Lastly, as you gain more confidence, knowledge, and experience in investing in the stock market, remember to revisit your list. Rule number 3, open a brokerage account that supports your financial goals. Opening a securities account has never been easier, but before opening an account, remember that not all brokerage firms are the same. While some offer simple apps with excellent user interface, others offer additional resources such as live training and lower margin rate. To know more about each company, consider visiting their website and going through their FAQs. If this process becomes a little bit overwhelming, remember that you can open as many accounts as you want. So consider opening an account with the most popular firm and then change to another whenever you're ready to do so. To help you start with your search, here's a list of my favorite brokers for new investors: Robinhood, SoFi, TD Ameritrade, and Webull. Use the link below to learn more about each. Rule number 4, take action and stay consistent. The longer you expose yourself to the market, the more natural it becomes. But no amount of reading will prepare you for the emotional roller coaster that your first few trades will take you through. Remember that investing is a long-term game, so stay consistent with your savings plan, your investment goals, and your education. In this video, we cover 4 key points that should help you become a more confident first-time investor. Keep in mind that without putting these golden rules into action, the knowledge will quickly dissipate. So write down a financial plan, keep an open eye for influential products, select the right brokerage account for you, and stay consistent. If you got value from this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And I will see you in our next video.